In my last video, I gave you a rundown on the public bus system here in Sanur, including how to catch it, how much it costs, what the payment methods are, and so much more. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure you check it out. Now today, we're going to take a deep dive into one specific route. That's right, we're going to catch a bus from Sanur Kuta. All right, so our journey today begins at the lovely Sala Cafe here in central Sanur. I thought it would be fun to start here, grab a coffee. It's a nice place to have a coffee. And just to show you exactly where we're going to walk from to the bus stop this morning. Plus, it gives you a chance to see some of the back streets along the way. While we're on our way, let me tell you about what we're going to do today. We're going to be catching the local public bus from Sanur to Kuta. I'll be showing you how to do it step by step, including how to pay, how to flag it down, where the bus stops are, and where to get off when you arrive in Kuta. To get to the bus stop from Sala Cafe, all you need to do is walk down these back streets by the green emerald villas. Google Maps says it's a 7-minute walk. I know the beach is where everyone goes for a walk during the mornings, but I like to go and explore the back streets as well when you see the world wake up. And here we are at the bus stop. It's about a 5 to 10 minute walk from the Sala Cafe, which is pretty convenient. Just look for that thing there. That's actually the bus stop. There's also a big bus stop sign along the road there. The bus system here is a little more relaxed, so sometimes the buses run a bit late, so just be patient. And also, just note, there are several bus stops here along the bypass, so you'll need to choose the one that's most convenient for you. Pagi. The buses here are quite comfortable and you can usually find a seat pretty easily. There's also air conditioning, which is a blessing in Bali's tropical heat. So you're settled in and ready to enjoy the ride. To get from Sanur to Kuta, you can track your progress through Google Maps or the Mitra Darat app. Both are fantastic for showing both real-time bus locations and schedules. The ride usually takes between 45 minutes and an hour depending on traffic. This morning, we've got a good run. So there you have it. Taking the bus from Sanur to Kuta is not only a cost-effective way to get around, it's also an immersive cultural experience, if you ask me. Real local. Make sure you've got enough money on your e-money card and always check that Mitra Darat app because that'll show you when the next bus is going to arrive. If you have any questions or need any more tips, make sure you leave a comment below. I'm just going to take a walk now down to Jalan Legian and fast forward it so you can see exactly how far it is. It's a fair walk, maybe 10 minutes. So that journey only took about 25 minutes, despite the map saying it was going to take 45 minutes to an hour. That's extremely quick, and I'd do that over a cab any day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Sanur. I'll catch you next time.